What is up? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video we have another wig review, and today's wig is from Subella Hair. Never heard of them before. I'm super excited to try their wig. Comes in a satin bag. You guys know I love a satin bag. I've been collecting a lot of wigs lately, and I like storing my hair back into the satin stash. It just helps me organize my wigs. I know exactly which hair comes from where. That's just me, and I like when companies do that. You open her up, you have, oh, okay, so the hair has two little rollers in. I'm kind of excited. That I never seen that before. But before we get into the meat and potatoes of this video, which is the hair, put her right here. There's some goodies in the bottom. So let's open her up. So you have a little stash here with goodies, headband. You get a wig cap, and I love wig caps. You can never have enough wig caps, honestly. And I love that companies give this. Okay, you get some falsies right here. Oh, how cool is this? So you get travel brushes, makeup brushes, which is cool. I'm a flight attendant, so I love little travel size stuff that I could touch up in the plane if need be. And you get lashes, which is really nice. These are actually really nice lashes. These are the real good ones too. So the hair. This is really exciting because I never seen this before. But before we get started with the hair, let me show you the deets of the hair. So this hair is the 8x5 curtain bang glueless body wave wigs. Is 26 inches in 1B or natural black, and it is 180 density. I never tried a curtain bang wig ever, so I think that's going to be cool to try on today's video, and I'm literally excited. Like, I have a good feeling about this wig. I really, really do. I really do. Ooh. So the roller just keeping the curtain bangs intact. So I'm very excited about this. So this is she right here. 26 inches body wave curtain bang. So it's really nice that they give you two dry rollers just to like keep the body of the bangs. So I'm going to take these two off right now so we could get into the construction of the wig. Look at that. Very, very nice. Very, very, very nice. So this is the lace right here. It's an 8x5 parting space. I love that it's parted in the center. I'm a center girl. You can part it any way you want. You could do a side, everything. I like that it's a curtain bang too because it's going to frame the face better. So I'm going to flip her over so you can see the construction of the hair. There she is. This is the parting space that you have here. You have one in the center right here, two on the side, and one in the back. So you have four in total. You also have the adjustable band in the back as well. This wig is not going to move. It's going to be secure. Just by touching the wig right here, I could tell that is a really good quality wig. The density is definitely giving 180. So let's put her on. Yes, I'm loving it so far. I'm loving it so far. All right, girl, girl. I feel like a movie star. I'm obsessed with this hair. I am obsessed with this hair so far. All right, all right. We're gonna play around with her. So now that I kind of fixed the curtain bangs, we still have some flyaways that I want to like take out. So I'm going to take my Edge Booster pomade stick, and I'm just going to kind of just lay all of that down just to take the flyaways out of there, because I want this part to be really flat. This is the hairline right here, as you can see. Right now I'm going to take my Gots to Be glue and I am going to like spray down the edges a little bit. I like to take a rat tail comb and kind of just press it down a little bit. You see the difference now? I don't do anything special with the lace line. Just do Gots to Be and it just works fine for me. Do you see the difference? How, yeah. So this is how it looks like so far. I love that it's bleached perfectly, you know? I don't even feel like I need to put anything on the lace. That's how good it is. I'm going to take the headband and I'm just going to put it right here on the edges just for a couple of minutes so it can lay a little bit. All right, so it is on. So I'm going to leave this on for, I will say like 5-10 minutes. And then I'll come back on and we'll finish off this review. Okay guys, so I'm back. So while I was away, I ended up putting these babies back in just to keep my hair, you know, fluffy in the front. But honestly, this hair is so fun. I really like this hair. This is like my vibe, you know? Anyways, so let me take off the rollers. I'm so happy that they included this with the wig, you know? Perfect. Oh, so happy. Period. Period. Absolutely stunning. Okay. We're just fixing her up. Yes. I think she's my favorite. She's my favorite. This is absolutely stunning. So this is the hairline right here. No makeup, no powder or anything, no concealer, no foundation. It's just the Gots to Be glue and that's it. I like the knots here in the center. Like I really don't need to do anything, in my opinion, to the lace. I'm gonna take my powder. I'm gonna blend out the lace a little bit more. This is from Charlotte Tilbury, FYI. All right, that's all you need. So this is pre-pluck, pre-bleached, ready to go, already styled for you. Guys, I really didn't do anything much to the hair. This is it in its natural state. So I want to show you how it looks in its full glory. So I'm going to stand up so you guys can see how the hair looks like. So let's go. This is the hair. Absolutely stunning. She is gorgeous. Gorgeous. This is how it looks like. Mind you, I didn't really do anything. I didn't curl it. This is how she is off the back. It is pre-styled as well. The curls are super, super nice. The hair is very bouncy. I'm going to turn so you guys can see how that looks like. So as you can see, the hair is super bouncy. When I say she's easy. Like, I am obsessed with this hair. Like, honestly, this is beautiful. She's beautiful. I'm going to comb it out a little bit. I want to see how that looks like if I brush the hair a little bit. Very nice. No shedding whatsoever. And look at that. She still has body. She still has body. And I'm running a brush through the hair. And as I keep doing it, the hair is getting fluffier and fluffier, which I appreciate. It's not tangled whatsoever. She's really good. It's a really good hair. I'm obsessed. I'm literally obsessed. Perfect. Wow. All right, guys, so that's it. This is my review for this hair, guys. I absolutely love this hair. I think this is one of my favorite looks that I did so far. This is for all my glammy girls. Like, this is the hair. She's the one. Like, this is dark hair beauty staple, okay? Let me know what you think about this hair. I want to know. Leave it down in the comments down below. Everything you need to know about this hair will be in the link down in the description box down below, so you guys can cop this for yourself. Girl, she's the one. She's the one. All right, so I'll see you guys in a few days with another video. Bye.